The journey to enhancement. Brazilian butt lift, BBL, explained. The pursuit of a more curvaceous figure has popularized the Brazilian butt lift, a specialty of Dr. Robert Kratschmer, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Houston. This guide explores the procedure, combining liposuction and fat transfer, for a transformative approach to body contouring. A Brazilian butt lift involves two primary stages: the removal of fat via liposuction and the strategic reinjection of purified fat into the buttocks. This procedure not only reshapes the buttock area, but also involves contouring the areas from which fat is removed, offering a dual benefit. The first phase involves liposuction, where Dr. Robert Kratschmer targets predetermined areas rich in fat, like the abdomen, thighs, or lower back. This phase is crucial, as it collects the fat needed for transfer and helps enhance the areas around the buttocks for a more dramatic result. Dr. Kratschmer uses specialized equipment to extract fat, minimizing damage to living cells. Extracted fat undergoes a purification process, separating healthy fat cells from other fluids. The second phase, the actual lifting process, involves the careful injection of fat into specific buttock areas. Dr. Kratschmer injects fat to achieve the desired shape and volume. Unlike implants, a BBL provides more natural-looking and feeling results. Recovery from a BBL is unique, as it restricts sitting directly on the buttocks or lying on the back for about 2 weeks to ensure optimal fat graft survival. Patients wear special compression garments to reduce swelling and maintain the new contours. Garments assist in faster recovery, better results, and comfort during the healing process. Regular checkups with Dr. Kratschmer ensure proper healing and help monitor the success of the fat transfer. As with any surgical procedure, there are potential risks involved, which makes choosing a skilled, board-certified plastic surgeon like Dr. Robert Kratschmer, Texas plastic surgeon, vital. Risks include infection, fat embolism, and asymmetry. Ideal candidates are in good health, have enough donor fat, and realistic expectations. A Brazilian butt lift celebrates one's body contours, offering transformative and natural-looking results. Entrust your aesthetic journey to a skilled practitioner like Dr. Robert Kratschmer, plastic surgeon in Houston, ensuring safety, care, and an enhanced physique. For a consultation, contact Dr. Kratschmer's office by phone at 281-317-8179 or text at 855-922-3330. This video is meant for informational purposes only. Individual needs and outcomes can vary. Consultation with a board-certified professional like Dr. Kratschmer is always recommended to address personal concerns and conditions. This video contains real patient results, real procedures, and some models.